Have you ever been playing someone a game and no matter what you did, you could not win? It's as if they had the cheat codes. They knew the secret to winning the game. And so it is with the law of attraction. Some people know the secret to winning the game. I'm going to share with you the 5+1 technique. It's the cheat code for winning at the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Want to remind you to be sure and click that bell icon and subscribe, because we're here all the time with new videos to empower your life. Also want to remind you to visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Why not claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching? Okay, so the cheat codes, they're very important. And if you follow this formula, you have the cheat codes for winning at the law of attraction. I'm talking about winning at your relationship. I'm talking about winning in love. I'm talking about winning in money. I'm talking about winning in business or any other area that matters to you. Simply follow the formula. High flyers, this is called the 5+1 technique. And I didn't invent it, but as I started studying this technique, I realized, I looked at Rachel and I said, this is exactly what we've been doing. We've been doing basically this technique. And so I know it works. And I know it will help you manifest whatever it is you desire, the life you desire, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you deserve and depend on. The 5+1 law of attraction technique. The first, number one, is you must know it. Now, I get clients from all over the world calling me and they say, Robert, I just don't know if it's going to work. I mean, I'm trying this and I'm doing affirmations and I'm visualizing, but I just don't know it's going to work. And if you're in that mind frame, you've already lost. You've already negated all the work that you have engaged in. You must have absolute certainty, absolute knowingness that what you desire, that the intention you are putting out there to the universe is manifesting in your life. That you have it, you deserve it, it's yours. Doesn't make any difference if it's money or love or anything else. So until you can get to this knowingness, and look at, when you walk into a movie theater, it's been a while since we've been to a movie theater, right? But when you walk into a movie theater, you sit down, you're talking to everybody, you're eating your popcorn, and then all of a sudden the lights go low. The lights go low. And the movie comes on, and all of a sudden there's Batman or there's Superman. And you know it's Superman. And you believe it's Superman. And you believe Superman can fly. Why? Because in theater, they call it the art of suspended disbelief. You're suspending your disbelief for the time that you're in the theater watching the movie. That's what I'm going to ask you to do right now. Suspend your disbelief that it can't work and believe only that it is already working. It's already manifesting what you desire. So the first one is know it. The second one is script it. You show me someone that scripts every day by hand with a pen or a pencil on a piece of paper in a notebook, and then goes back and reads those scripts, and they script in present tense as if it's happening, as if it's real. You show me someone like that, and I'll show you someone that is already manifesting their dreams and goals. It's that simple. You've got to write it down. You're teaching your muscle memory, your neurology, but you're also invoking your creative mind as you script out these various vignettes or stories. So I believe scripting is essential. Script daily. And then at least once a week, go back and read everything you have written. And you know what's going to happen? You're going to go through your script book and you're going to go, wait a minute, I scripted this. This happened. You put a big check mark there. You go to the next one and the next one. Oh, well, that's happened too. And you put another big check mark. You get the idea, high flyers? Scripting is not a now and then thing. It's an all the time thing. Every single day. Successful people love to script. High flyers, number 3 is visualize it. And when I say visualize it, I don't mean just close your eyes and go, okay, there I am. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I mean visualize it and see yourself having fun. See yourself excited. See everything bright and colorful and dynamic. That's so important. When you visualize, don't make the visualization small in your mind. Make it massive. Make it big. Make it colorful. Make it stand out. If there's music, make the music loud and emotional. Feel every second of the visualization. High flyers, number 4 is speak it. You know, the ancients believe that God literally spoke the universe into existence. Okay, it's a metaphor, but the idea is that you must speak to yourself and only those you trust. I am manifesting. Fill in the blank. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care what anybody believes. I don't care whether it's been done before or not. I am the greatest. Who said it? Muhammad Ali. And he said it before he was the greatest. He said it before he was the heavyweight champion of the world. So sometimes it's important to say it to the world, sometimes to just a few confidants, other times just to yourself. But speak it. Speak it every day. Speak it into existence. And high flyers, number 5 is act upon it. Inspired action every day. What can I do today? What are the steps I can take today that bring me a little bit closer to my dreams and goals, to the manifestation of my intention? How can I empower myself from the inside out? What actions can I take? And take action every day. Now, there you go. There's the 5. Now, plus the 1. What is the 1? The 1 is you feel it and you apply it to all 5. So the 1 is when you know it, you feel it. You get the idea? When you know it, you feel it. When you script it, when you're writing it down, you're feeling it. That's the plus 1. When you're visualizing it, you're not just visualizing it in your head, you're visualizing it in your body and in your energy field. And you're feeling it. You're feeling every little minute detail, the wind, the warmth, the sun, the moisture of the ocean, whatever, but you're feeling it. When you speak it to yourself or to the world, you better feel it. And finally, when you take inspired action, feel it. Feel that inspired action literally breaking through any barriers or resistance that you've run into. Now, if you'll follow this cheat code, if you'll write it down, go through the video, write it down, use the cheat code on a regular basis, and use it as your outline for manifesting, you're going to be absolutely astonished at all the good things that you bring into your life because you deserve it. You absolutely do. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.